Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to apply to truelancer job. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and if you want to apply online at jobs on truelancer, just go ahead right here and open up the official truelancer, and basically you can work or hire. So if you want to apply as a freelancer, you can just go ahead and search for your criteria. If you are IT, graphic design, content writing, data entry and admin, or mobile applications, social media SEO or SEM, basically you can just filter it to search for whatever criteria that you're on. So I'm gonna just say, for example, graphic design, and then I'm gonna see the latest jobs made by this niche, right? And the same goes for IT and programming, right? So you're gonna find right here the people that want an IT and programming freelancers to work for them in a fixed price or hourly price. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.